Unlock the ultimate real estate workflow by seamlessly integrating DocuSign and Zipforms to revolutionize your transaction management. Today, we're diving deep into how to leverage the combined power of DocuSign for secure electronic signatures and Zipforms for comprehensive transaction management, creating an undeniably efficient and professional experience for you and your clients. First, let's ensure you have your DocuSign account set up. Navigate to DocuSign.com and log in. Once logged in, you'll be presented with your dashboard. If you're new, you might see a guided tour, which is highly recommended for familiarizing yourself with the interface. To send a document for signature, click Sign in the top menu, then Send a document for signature. You'll be prompted to upload your real estate contract. After uploading, you can add recipients by their email addresses and assign them roles, like buyer, seller, or agent. Next, drag and drop signature fields, date fields, and any other required information onto the document for each recipient. DocuSign's intuitive interface makes this process quick and error-free. Once everything is set, click Send. Now, let's transition to Zipforms. Log into your Zipforms account. You'll arrive at your dashboard, where you can view your active transactions. To create a new transaction, click the Create New Transaction button. Fill in the essential details for your new transaction, such as the property address, client names, and dates. Zipforms acts as your central hub for all transaction-related documents and information. Inside your transaction, navigate to the Documents section. Here, you'll manage all the paperwork. To add your signed contract from DocuSign, you have two primary methods. Method 1, after receiving the fully executed document back from DocuSign via email, save it to your computer. Then, in Zipforms, go to the Documents section and simply drag and drop the file into the designated upload area. Zipforms will automatically categorize it. Method 2, if you have the integration enabled, if your Zipforms and DocuSign accounts are linked, you might be able to directly import the signed document from DocuSign into your Zipforms transaction. Look for an option within the document management screen that says Import from DocuSign or similar. Once the document is in Zipforms, you can continue to add all other relevant transaction documents, such as disclosures, inspection reports, and addendums. Zipforms helps you keep everything organized and accessible for your entire team. By mastering this synchronized approach, you'll significantly reduce the risk of errors, save valuable time, and provide a polished, modern experience that clients will appreciate. Start integrating DocuSign and Zipforms today and transform your real estate operations.